Hello students, see today we are going to read one new lesson from your textbook. The 11th lesson, Pinocchio becomes a real boy. Now Pinocchio is the story of the wooden puppet carved by Geppetto. Means there was a wood carving man who used to carve different wood on the wood. You can see, you all know the wood. On that wood, he used to carve different designs or different puppets and used to decorate very nicely. He had carved one of the puppet on that wood, and that puppet's name was Pinocchio. Now the story is about the Pinocchio. Pinocchio was truly sorry. He remembered all the trouble and the pain he had given to his father Geppetto. This Pinocchio was very sorry because he always used to trouble his father Geppetto. He used to always trouble him. He promised to look after his father, who had become very weak. Means when his father became weak, he used to not able to work. This Pinocchio, he decided that he should help his father in everything. He was very sorry because he used to always trouble him. Then Pinocchio had always hated hard work. He used to not like to do any work. Always he was a very lazy, and he used to always trouble his father with why doing means he used to not work. So father was always in trouble. But when his father he has become weak, he decided he should help his father. But now he worked hard to take the care of his father. He decided that he should work very hard and help his father. After his father became well, Pinocchio decided to save some money to buy clothes for himself. Hence, when his father became well, first he was not feeling well, but when he was well, then Pinocchio decided that he should buy some clothes for himself. He decided to buy some clothes for himself. On his way to the market, then he decided to buy some clothes and he went to the market. He met the snail. You all know the snail? Snail, the small animal, you can say. He met that small snail. Pinocchio was glad. He was happy. Glad means he was very happy to see that small snail, and asked where the good and the kind fairy was. He was asking that where is the good and the glad or this fairy she was living. He was sad to learn that she was very ill. Then he heard that the fairy was very ill. Oh, the poor fairy! If I had a lot of money, I would have given it to her. But I have only 2 shillings. Then what he is saying? That I am feeling very sad that this poor fairy is not well. And if I could have money, I could give it to that fairy. So what he said, I could give, but I am having only 2 shillings. 2 shillings means coins. Now in our country, how we are having the coins and currencies. In the same way, the shillings are the American coins. These are the shillings means the money, coins. Take them, I was just going to buy the new suit. Means he is saying that I am having only 2 shillings, with that I was going to buy the new clothes, new suit for myself. Go and quickly and give this money to the kind fairy. But go and give this 2 shillings to the kind fairy. But what about your new suit? Asked the snail. Now the snail, whom he had met while going to the market, she asked that if you will give the 2 shillings to the fairy who is not feeling well, what about your new suit? How you will buy the new suit for you, because you are giving all the shillings to the fairy. Don't ask question. Go snail, hurry. Come back in 2 days' time to take some more. He is saying, go hurry, go and give the shillings to the fairy and come after 2 days, so that more money I will give you to give the fairy. Till now I have worked for my father. From now on I will work for my kind fairy. Goodbye snail. Now he is saying, till now I was working for my father, but now I am going to work for this kind fairy. Then when Pinocchio reached home, Geppetto asked him, where is your new suit? I did not like any at the shop, said Pinocchio. Then when he went home, he asked his father that his father asked me that you had gone to the market, why you didn't buy the suit for yours? Where is that suit? Then what that Pinocchio, he didn't say his father that he is giving that he has given that shillings to the fairy. What he told? That I didn't like any of the suit from the market, so I didn't buy the suit for myself. That evening, Pinocchio, instead of working till 10, worked up to midnight. So he had decided to work for his father till night 10 o'clock. He didn't work, but till midnight. Midnight he was working and working to earn more money. He made 16 baskets instead of 8 baskets. Every day he used to make 8 baskets and help his father in working. But today he has made 16 baskets while sitting midnight. He worked till midnight and made this 16 baskets. Then he went to the bed and fell asleep. Then he was tired and he went to sleep at night. As he slept, he had a dream. In his dream, he saw a good fairy. When he slept, what happened after working and after making 16 baskets, when he went to sleep, what happened? He saw a dream. He saw a dream. And what he saw in his dream? In his dream, he saw a good fairy. See, I'll show you the fairy for you. See this type of fairy he saw. See, you can see. So, in his dream, he saw one fairy. You all see sometimes any dream of fairy? Yes, fairy. She is very beautiful. She is having the one magic stick in her hand. So we all think that whenever we ask anything to the fairy, she with that magic stick, she gives us or she fulfill our needs, whatever we want. In same way, the Pinocchio, when he was sleeping, he saw the dream of a good fairy. As he slept, he had a dream. In his dream, he saw a good fairy. He smiled and said, "In return from your kindness, I forgive all your past mistakes." Now that what the fairy is saying for him, that you have given me that 2 shillings. You have given me coins. You have helped me. So I have forgotten that what mistake you had done in the past. Means before, if you have done any mistake, I have forgot you or I have forgive you. So you are now very kind boy. You have given me you have helped me by giving the coins. Children who love their parents and help them when they are sick get praised and love. Be good in future and you will be happy. What she is saying? Children who help their parents when they are weak or when they are not well, these children, I like them. I love this type of children. I love this type of child who is helping his parents when the parents are weak or when they are ill. So you are also. So I love you very much and I am very impressed by your work that you started helping your father. So in the future also you will be happy by this blessing she gave to the Pinocchio. Then the dream ended and the Pinocchio woke up. What happened? He got a dream and after a little while he woke up in the morning. A surprise waited for something. Means he was waiting for something. He was no longer a puppet but normal boy, just like the others. See the man, the Geppetto, he has curved on the wood. This Pinocchio. Now he was a puppet, but now as soon as the dream was over, when it was in the morning, the Pinocchio he turned into the real boy like you all. So he looked around, but instead of straw walls of the cottage, he saw a lovely little room. First he was kept in the cottage, and now when he opened his eyes, he was in a lovely house, a good house, because he has become a real boy. Beautiful decorated house he was in a little room, lovely little room with decorated, it was beautifully decorated. He jumped out of the bed and found a pretty new suit, a new cap, a pair of boots lying beside. As soon as he got up, what he saw? He saw a new suit for him and the cap was kept, then even shoes were kept, all things were new and beautiful. He wore the new suit and put his hand in his pocket. As soon as he wore that new suit, he was very happy to have these all things. So he wore that dress and new suit, and what he did, he put his hands in the pocket. He found a little purse on which these words were written. In his pocket, what he found? He found a small purse. On that purse, what it was written? The fairy returned Pinocchio's teeth 2 shillings and thanked him for his good heart. What happened? This fairy, whom he had helped in the market, he has given that snail 2 shillings that go and give to the fairy who was ill. So when as soon as he wore that suit and he put hands in the pocket, what he saw? He saw in the pocket there was a small purse, and in that purse there were 2 shillings which he had given to the fairy. And there what was written there? That thanks for your 2 shillings and your good heart. Means you have behaved very nicely, very kind-hearted you are. So thanks for that. With the joy and wonder he hurried to his father. He was very happy that fairy had praised him. She has given him blessings. So he went to his father, and what he saw? The old Geppetto looking cheerful and healthy. He was very cheerful. He saw that this Geppetto, he was very cheerful and healthy. Means he was not now weak. He has become healthy and happy. Daddy, tell me, what is the meaning of all this change? Asked Pinocchio, hugging him. He was so happy that he embraced his father. He loved his father, and he asked that what is this change? Why this change has come? Then it is all due to you, Pinocchio. Then father is replying him, this is because of you. You have behaved very kindly to everyone, and you are doing now the hard work. So this is the reward for you. When the children who are naughty become good, the whole family becomes happy. The father is saying that you were so naughty, you were so lazy, you used to not work hard. But nowadays you started working, and so this because due to your change, this change have come to you. And when the naughty boys or children, they work, they behave good and kind, even the whole family becomes happy due to their behaviors. What about the old Pinocchio? Where is he? Asked Pinocchio. Then in answer, Geppetto pointed to a large puppet that was leaning against a chair. Then he asked that where is that old Pinocchio? Then he showed. See, he is sitting on that chair. Pinocchio said to himself, how bad I was when I was the puppet. He said that how bad I was when I was puppet. I was so lazy, I used to not work. How happy I have become when I became the real boy. He is saying, I became so happy by working hard, by helping the people, by becoming kind-hearted boy. And so these changes has come to me. So even he was very happy. Understood this lesson? Now from this question answers you have to solve from the PDF given to you.